Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, but before I actually do that, I need to show you how to navigate on this phone when TalkBack is enabled, because due to TalkBack being enabled, we have slightly altered navigation. So if you have any option that you can choose, that you can select, whether it is like an option here in the settings, or even if it is like one of these buttons, if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then in that case, if you want to use it, first we need to tap on that option to highlight it. There we go. And then you need to double tap anywhere on this screen in order to confirm that you want to use the selected option. And in case you want to perform any gesture, and this includes, of course, gesture navigation. So if you use gestures for navigation, then this is also relevant. But also this includes like scrolling on pages and you know, switching between different stuff, etc. Between pages, for example, on home screen. Then in that case, every gesture has to be performed with 2 fingers instead of just 1. So usually you perform a gesture with 1 finger. This time with TalkBack enabled, you have to use 2 fingers instead. So what we're gonna do is first I'm gonna completely turn off settings over here. So I'm gonna go to recent and I'm gonna clear everything so that we can start from the home screen. Now, since we are starting from home screen, first we need to go to settings, of course. So if you need to go to the up drawer, of course, like I said, we need to use 2 fingers to perform a gesture. So we're gonna swipe up with 2 fingers. And then I'm gonna scroll down, of course, with 2 fingers again. And here we have settings. So we're gonna tap once to highlight it and then double tap to confirm. Now we need to scroll pretty much all the way down. So use 2 fingers to scroll down, tap on accessibility and then double tap. Then we're gonna tap on the TalkBack once and then double tap. Tap on this use TalkBack switcher and then double tap. And then we're gonna tap on the turn off button and double tap to confirm. And finally, TalkBack is now deactivated. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.